Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips in 1 minute or less. In this tutorial, I will describe one of the best new features in iOS 17, Standby Mode. Standby Mode is a cool new feature that allows you to view important information at a distance while your iPhone is charging. To set it up, first make sure Standby Mode is turned on. To do this, go to Settings, Standby, and toggle the switch on. Then set the display so that it's always on. Next, rotate your iPhone on its side. Then connect it to a charger. From here you can swipe left or right to explore installed widgets and find content that's important to you. Swipe up and down to customize this information.